Ever wonder why so many pros still stick with Canon, even when Sony specs look flashier on paper? Go to the Olympics, F1 racing, or other sporting events, and you'll see photographers using the latest Canon cameras. Plus, Canon just released the R50V and PowerShot V1 to compete with the blogger favorite Sony's ZV-E1. Let's break down 10 ways Canon cameras pull ahead and a couple ways they still trip over their own shoelaces. Canon's color science is legendary. Skin tones look natural, reds aren't oversaturated, blues don't skew the purples. Basically, Canon makes people look like people. Sony sometimes makes them look like aliens who just discovered contouring. Whether you're shooting weddings or wildlife, Canon's out-of-the-box color requires far less correction in post. Sony's color has improved, but Canon still feels more organic, especially for people in photography. Pick up a Canon R5 or R6, and it just fits. The deeper grip, rounded edges, and intuitive button layout feel made for human hands. Sony's mirrorless bodies, particularly the A7 series, are more cramped and angular. For long shooting sessions, Canon is easier on the fingers and wrist. Add a Canon battery grip to the R5 or R6, and it'll feel like an R1, which is Canon's flagship. Canon menus are clean, categorized, and easy to navigate. Sony's menus, despite recent updates, can still feel like a maze of subfolders. Canon's My Menu system also allows for faster custom setups without overwhelming you with too many layers. I love setting up my most used menu items in the My Menu Favorites panel. It just makes life so much easier. Canon's dual pixel autofocus has been the gold standard for years. It's fast, accurate, and smooth, especially in video mode. While Sony's real-time autofocus is very impressive, Canon's focus transitions look more natural and cinematic with fewer abrupt jumps. I will say that Sony leads a bit when it comes to video autofocus. However, you really can't go wrong with either one. Canon doesn't just have a touchscreen. They actually use it well. Tap to focus, full menu navigation, even playback controls. Sony touchscreens still feel underdeveloped in comparison, with limited functionality that often forces you to go back to the dials. Canon's touchscreen actually works. Sony's, well, it's more of a decorative suggestion. Canon's EF to RF adapter is seamless. If you're sitting on a treasure trove of EF lenses, Canon gives you nearly full performance. Sony's A-mount legacy doesn't translate as cleanly to their newer E-mount. Canon offers refined control over custom buttons, shooting modes, and even dial behavior. Sony does allow customization too, but Canon's approach just feels more streamlined. You're less likely to get lost in setup or accidentally change a setting mid-shoot with Canon. This is one of Canon's best user features and makes using Canon cameras a real joy. Canon has improved thermal handling significantly since the dreadful R5 launch, which was a real embarrassment. Cameras like the R5 Mark II and the R8 now record longer without overheating. Meanwhile, some Sony bodies, especially earlier models, still struggle with heat in 4K or in hot climates. Canon's electronic viewfinders often feel more natural and less clinical than Sony's. The refresh rate and color balance mimic optical finders better. And the fully articulating LCDs on Canon's bodies are sharper and easier to use for vlogging, low angle, and vertical shooting. However, Sony has recently released their new 4-axis multi-angle screen that I am very envious of. Being able to flip, swivel, and tilt the LCD screen without having to extend it out to the side is just ingenious. Canon, take a hint from that. Canon's C-Log and Rec 709 profiles offer cinematic roll-off in the highlights and consistent skin rendering across lighting conditions. Now, Sony's S-Log 3 has more flexibility, but it does often require more post-processing. For run-and-gun shooters, Canon gives you a more polished image with much less effort. Now, Canon does fall short in a few areas. Let's just call out a few of the pain points. First, lack of third-party RF lenses. Canon's tight grip on the RF mount licensing keeps costs high and limits variety. Sony E-mount users, meanwhile, enjoy budget-friendly options from Sigma, Tamron, Viltrox, and more. Now, recently, Canon did announce that they would be allowing third-party lenses to be made for the RF system, but they are very slow to roll out. So let's get going, Canon. Second, battery drain during standby. Canon mirrorless bodies tend to sip power even when they're idle. You'll find yourself hot swapping batteries more often than with Sony, especially on travel shoots. Canon battery life is like that one friend who says they'll just rest their eyes and then is snoring in 5 minutes. Now, Canon really hasn't changed their LP6 batteries in years outside of just adding a little bit more output. However, it is great not having to buy all new batteries every couple camera releases. So I guess it's a trade-off. And third, the dreaded 30-minute record limit still present on models like the R5. For videographers, it's a frustrating relic. Though Canon is starting to phase it out with the newer releases. Come on, Canon, just release a firmware update for us R5 users. You can do it. So while Sony may dominate the spec sheet with cutting-edge features, Canon still leads in areas that actually matter on set or in the field. Color, comfort, ease of use, and reliability. It's not about being flashy at all. It's about being trusted, and that's where Canon continues to win. Take care, everyone.